That wasn't exactly textbook. Boosted, good. Bollocks. It looks really good today. Looks like it's going to be unstable out the back of Coronet Peak, so going to give it a crack to Wanaka. The only problem is we've got shitloads of snow. The snow's really low down, and I don't know how low it is out the back, so it's going to be a bit of an adventure, but it looks really good, so it's worth going up for a look. And I've taken a bit of a punt because everyone else has gone to Clyde, but I don't want to fly the flatlands, I want to fly the mountains. It's going to be spectacular with all the snow. That's the main reason that I'm going this way, and the forecast does look really good. It's going to be a walk up through the snow, which is going to be bloody hard work, so I've come a bit earlier, prepared with the gaiters and boots and the longs, and I've got all the warm clothes because it's going to be -7 at base. So hike to the summit, fly up the back, cross my fingers, and hopefully there's not snow all the way down to the valley floor. I've started walking up, got a hitch quite quickly actually, which is good, and the snow is quite firm. There's a track already laid out by the skidoo, so it's not too bad. So hopefully get to the top in good time and start layering the clothes, and hopefully take off around midday, maybe just before if it looks on, and Wanaka, hopefully not Macetown. I have made it to the summit, and there's a lot of snow out the back, which is cool. Just waiting for the cloud base to rise a bit higher because it's quite low over just above Rose's Saddle. We just had a band of high cloud that's just passed through, which is now cleared out the sun to start heating up the ground. Beautiful views up here, and the high cloud seems to have moved on. The day's looking better, but it's still early. It's only 11 o'clock, so just gonna hang out for a bit, get ready, maybe eat some food, and just sort of watch the conditions as they change. Maybe if I've got some time to kill, I might just quickly show you all of the stuff that I bring along with me, because I'm not just going with my paraglider, and there's a bit to flying out the back in New Zealand, and you've got to bring some stuff with you, so I'll just show you what I've got. A load of kit, so I'll just try and skim through it as quickly as you can. First off, I've got the F-Race harness. It's 1.5 kilos from Ozone, and yeah, I love this harness. The more I fly it, the more I love it. It packs down really small. Yeah, loads of storage space in the back, and what I've been doing is putting my sleeping bag. I'm going to take a sleeping bag with me today, and that's just going to go under the seat where the back protection is, and Thermarest inflatable mattress, which I'll just shove under there as well. There's still loads of space for like more stuff under there, but that's all I'm really taking sleeping wise. So yeah, I'm just going to put that under there, and then I can blow up the back protection. There's like a tube in the back, and you can just sort of re-inflate the back pro, and it will fill up all the other space. Glider Zeolite GT lightweight 2-liner. It's a bloody machine. Yeah, I love that wing. I've only put about 10 hours on it so far, but so far I'm not taking a stove with me today, so I've just got loads of muesli bars and sweets and nuts. No stove, because I'm not really planning on spending the night out. It's just sort of if I've got to walk for a long time, but I've got the sleeping bag just in case I do end up, you know, in the shit. Always good to be prepared. Then I've got airband radio, so I can chat to people, other aircraft. I have a dry bag with all the electronics, and it's just like camera stuff and power banks and things. InReach, I always take an InReach, and I'll be tracking 10-minute intervals. XC tracer, my flight deck, 2 litres of water, power bank, 20,000 milliamps. That'll do me for like 3 days, depending how much Netflix I watch. Big puffy down jacket. I've brought loads of clothes with me today because it's really cold. There's loads of snow. So another down jacket, fleece, thermals, dry warm socks, beanie, shorts. That's like double the amount of clothes I normally take, but look at all the snow. Helmet, gloves, and little snood. Yeah, that's about it. Here we go. Gonna give it a crack. It's gonna be a bit of a tricky launch this, I think, because of all the snow. But there's a little bit of wind. Try to do this first go, would be nice. Back. That wasn't exactly textbook. Tripped up on the pod. I'm slowly making my way across Deep Creek. I'm taking absolutely anything I can at the moment because I'm only at 4,800 feet, and even a 0 is kind of drifting me in the direction I want to go. I'm desperately trying to arrive above the top there. Because if I arrive on the south face of that spur, it's probably gonna be a slope land. But that cloud looks promising, so I really hope I can get there. Just need to maximize my glide. 3 meters down. It's not what I want. Oh, I'm getting it. Boosted, good. Oh, came in low, but it's working. Doesn't look that good ahead on Soho. I literally haven't even had time to put my gloves on. It's been hard fucking work since I took off. Take this climb up to the cloud, hopefully. Looks like that one leads over. I just got high enough so I could get over the peak here, and then I pushed up the ridge and got over the peak. Usually the climb's better here. Seems to be working. So across to Soho, I'm not that hopeful because there's no cloud here. We'll see. Looks cold. My feet are cold. Looks like I might be having a nice walk out of Macetown. Oh, don't speak too soon. Maybe this shady side we're covered in snow might work. Oh, I haven't walked out from Macetown in ages, so oh well, There's a cloud on Soho now. Oh well. I'll be good to get my feet to defrost. You can't win them all, unfortunately. I kind of got what I expected there, which was wet boots, cold feet, and a long walk out of Macetown. Really hard work. Like, I couldn't get a climb off Coronet really. I left the Northeast Ridge at 8 in the end, and my pod came undone on the takeoff, and I literally didn't even have time to put the gloves on. The whole thing, I had to focus the whole flight just to try and get every little scrap of lift. And there's a bit of wind coming out over Macetown. Managed to get the climb eventually, and then got to Soho. Nothing. I think it would have been possible today, but bloody hard. I just wanted to go for a walk from Macetown. So I'll probably just pack up and probably do some time-lapsey shot that you can watch, and then maybe some walking montage, and that'll be it.